Hey guys, back with a video. This is Master Inflatables here, and this is the Walmart 10-foot inflatable snowman for 2020. This just arrived in FedEx like 10 minutes ago or something, I don't know. I've already started opening it, because this is I made a video, and I was opening it, but it was like really foggy. And I was so confused. But now you can see what I'm doing. And usually I look through the camera, so now I can see what I'm doing. So, alright. I'm sorry, let me switch scissors to the side before I stab myself. So, it is kind of hard to get open. Okay, yep, there's the snowman face. Ooh, here we are. And the sand is right there. Yep. The box doesn't seem to have anything wrong with it, because I was scared that it might get a little scuffed. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's a little scuffed up in the back. Well, actually, no, that there isn't anything on it. It's just dust. 2020, 10-foot snowman. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this on around outside. But yeah. I just sat down on top of the box. I'm just gonna go out right inside my garage real quick. Alright. We shall do it right here. I gotta get a wire, because otherwise I won't be able to plug it in. I'm just gonna do it right in front of my garage. Alright. So we got our cord here. Just throw that on the ground. It's not long enough. Well, I gotta borrow a cord. Here's a little sneak peek of my Halloween display. That'll be in the next video. I got that ghost up too. But yeah, like I said, that'll be in the next video. Yeah, I'm just gonna borrow this plug right here for the snowman. So he's 10 feet tall. He's pretty big. And I just hit my toe on a rock. Ow. Alright. So just bring him on over here. I hope he doesn't fall over since we're on a hill. Oh yeah, I forgot they have the double box. I need to sit you guys down for a second. There's like a piece of string. Oh, that's so you can pull it off. Eee, and I just ripped it. There's a piece of green string, and I just ripped it off. But that's supposed to be so you can open it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Disgusting feet. They're just in the camera. I don't know of anybody else who has this, because I really like the designs here. Alright. Finally that into the box. Ready? Ow! Okay. Wow. There it is. Not sure what that is. Kind of like green paste. That's not bad. There's your stakes, tethers, and instructions. And they're pretty straightforward. Just plug it in, stake it down. I'm not sure where the zipper is. I hope it's in a good place. He's really... Oh, I was wondering that if he did have holly on his hat. Alright, so there it is. And here's somewhere is the fan. See, here's the plastic holly. I really like this. It looks nice. Of course, Jimmy, they have the little ties on there, but they haven't been like tying them up like they're supposed to. So that's kind of weird. Alright, right here. Pop out the legs. Alright, where's the zipper? Oh, it's open. The zipper is open. So it must have been tested at one point. Because it wasn't like in a perfect square like they come. So I'm guessing it has been tested in its life at one point. Alright. He does have a little candy cane. That's the only thing I don't like, is that his candy cane is really small, and that the back of his thing right here is like just not even colored. Okay, he's turned the wrong way. So we gotta turn this way so the cord comes out the back. Okay, I got it. Now we're going to flip them over and plug them in. He should have 5 light bulbs in him, like they all do. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's coming up. His fan seems a little weak, so he is taking a bit. He's bigger than I thought he was. I'm holding the base down with my feet. He will be angled. I mean, he's not a very fat snowman. He's skinny. Almost done. Okay. And we are coming. Okay. He's a lot smaller than I expected, but I like him. There's a light bulb in the head. There's one light bulb right there in the neck, and I can't see the rest of them. Oh, yeah, there's one right there. I'm guessing there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, like right in the middle. So, unless there's one in the hat, I don't see the purpose of having one in the hat. But his face is a little twisted up, but that doesn't bother me, so I'm good. I mean, he is. Oh wow, he does inflate tight. That's good. I like him. He's one of my favorite inflatables this year. Here's what he looks like from the back side. Like I said, he's not a very giant snowman. He's a skinny snowman. But let me turn him a little bit so you can see him. In the comments down below, I'll put like the thing so you can see when he is finally up. He is pretty tall. I mean, yeah, duh, he's 10 feet tall, but it's just, oh no! Oh well. Yeah, that's what I thought was going to happen. Okay, yeah, you can see one of the light bulbs is out. There's 2 in the bottom, 1 here, and then 2 in the face for some reason. So I'll have to replace that light bulb. Unless it's good and it's just not okay, but otherwise, yeah. I'm not sure what kind of base fan he has. It's probably a YEF50, but whatever it is, it's not very big and it's not very small. So it inflates him very well. But otherwise, see you guys in the next video. And bye.